continue with elasticity. Today we're going to income elasticity of demand. What is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness between the quantity demanded of a product as a result of a change in price. It simply means as soon as our level of income increases or reduces, there's tendency that the quantity demanded of the product we buy increases or decreases. So that is income elasticity of demand. So here it is the degree of responsiveness between the quantity demanded of a product as a result of a change in the level of income. That is income elasticity of demand. And the formula for income elasticity of demand is percentage change in the quantity demanded over percentage change in income. A change in quantity demanded over change in income is how we calculate income elasticity of demand. And for our YED, it is Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 divided by Y2 minus Y1 over Y1. Where our Q1 is the original quantity, Q2 is the change in quantity, Y1 is the original income, and Y2 is the change in income. So when it comes to income elasticity, we have goods that are normal, goods that are inferior, and goods that have zero elasticity in terms of YED. So we're going to start with normal goods. Why do we call them normal goods? We call them normal goods because these goods increases, the quantity demanded increases as the level of income increases. So definitely they have what we call a YED that is positive. They have a positive YED. Positive. They have a positive YED. Why do they have a positive YED? They have a direct relationship with income. That means the quantity demanded is directly linked with the level of income. So if income is increasing, the quantity demanded would increase. If income is dropping or falling, the quantity demanded would fall. That makes it a positive YED. So here we have less than 1, greater than 1. So a positive YED can be elastic or inelastic. If the YED is elastic, it simply means these goods tends to increase, the quantity demanded tends to increase as the level of income increases. They have a positive YED. An example of goods that have a positive YED are luxury, like holiday in Bahamas, holiday in Dubai, buying the latest iPhone. These are luxury. So as soon as income increases, you can tend to buy more of those goods. They have a positive YED. And they are always greater than 1. It's elastic. It means elastic. Greater than 1. Then we have inelastic, which is less than 1. These goods, irrespective of our income, we need to buy them. They are necessities. So they have a YED that is positive and inelastic. Luxury goods have a positive YED but elastic. Necessities, they have a positive YED but inelastic, less than 1. So if the YED of a product is elastic, it simply means as the level of income increases, people tend to buy more of them. That makes it elastic YED positive, which is luxury. But if it is inelastic, it's mostly necessities like food, clothing, and shelter. Irrespective of our income, we need to buy them. So that is about that. Then, in summary, a normal good, normal good, either luxury or necessity, will have a positive YED. That is the summary about a normal good. Then we have inferior goods. For inferior goods, these are the goods that we tend to buy more of them as soon as our income level drops or falls. So these goods have inverse relationship with income. We buy more of them if our income level is falling. We stop buying them if our level of income increases. We call them inferior goods. So that means they have an inverse relationship with income. As income increases, the quantity demanded for inferior goods reduces. As income drops, the quantity demanded for inferior goods increases. So that means they have inverse relationship with income. These are inferior goods. Any goods that come to your mind, as soon as the level of income drops, that you tend to buy more of, is an inferior goods. Then the last one is goods with zero YED. A good with zero YED, as soon as our income level falls, we buy them. But as soon as if our income level increases, we do not buy additional of them. That makes it a good that has a zero YED. It does not depend on our level of income. If our level of income drops, we can buy them. But if our level of income increases, it doesn't make us to buy additional of them. That makes them goods with zero elasticity. An example of such good is the salt. You know what salt is, right? Salt, you have income, you don't have income, salt is inevitable. But as soon as your income level increases, you don't seem to buy additional salt because there's no need to buy additional salt until the salt at home is done or the salt in use is done. So this good will have 0 YED. So for income elasticity of demand, we have YED that is positive, YED that is negative, and YED that is 0. A positive YED will have elastic and inelastic, which is elastic for luxury, inelastic for necessities. A YED that is negative shows that the good is an inferior good. And a YED that is 0 means this good, we don't buy them, we don't buy additional of them, we don't buy more of them as soon as our level of income increases. Thank you and see you again in the next episode. Thank you.